Welcome to today's 12 Days of Craftmas. Today, we will be making Scrabble ornaments using our laser cutter in the studio. We will be using Xtool Studio to design our ornaments. This is a free software that you can download at home on a computer or laptop, or use our account in the studio. You are also welcome to use actual Scrabble pieces if desired. First, I uploaded an image of Scrabble pieces to Xtool to reference while making my pieces. Then, go to the left side panel, hover over the shape tool, and select the square. On the canvas, hold the left mouse button, hold Shift on your keyboard, and then drag your mouse to create a proportion square. I'm going to make my square bigger than it needs to be and will resize it later. Back on the left side panel, choose the text tool. Click anywhere on the canvas and a text box will appear. Type in the letter A. Click off your text. This will then select the letter A so you can move it to the square. Since I want this to look like a Scrabble piece, I'm going to change the letter A from score to engrave. I will then begin adding the small numbers. Using the text tool again, add the number 1 to the canvas. Then, in the upper panel, select Lotto. This will open the font menu. Next, I will begin looking for a similar font for the Scrabble pieces. You are also welcome to choose your own font. Once you have chosen your font, select the number. In the right panel, change from score to engrave. You will then resize the number to fit in the bottom right corner of the square. Once positioned, select the whole design. There are two ways to make duplicates of your letters. You can either select your design and copy and paste to the desired number of letters, or you can also try this method. Select the whole design. Right-click on your mouse and choose Group. Select the design. On the left panel, click Applications. Then, at the top, click Grid Array. This feature allows you to create duplicate designs in a certain amount of columns and rows. I ended up creating the whole alphabet, but you are welcome to stop at your desired amount of letters. I now have all of my letters and no longer need my reference image. I will select the image and click Delete on my keyboard. I will then move my letters out of my canvas. For this project, I want the pieces to spell family, so I will select the letters and place them side by side on the canvas. Make sure the pieces are separated evenly. For an accurate Scrabble size, select one piece. On the upper panel, double-click on the width number, also marked as a W. Type in 0.75. Make sure the height number also turns to 0.75. If it does not, click on the aspect ratio icon to unlock the proportions. Do this for each letter. With your material loaded in the machine and the live camera has refreshed, place your letters according to the available area. You may need to split some letters. Select your cut and engrave settings for your Scrabble pieces. Before I send my design to cut, I verify that my settings are correct. When I initially highlighted over my design, I realized I forgot about my extra letters to the side. I need to deactivate the extra letters so they are not programmed to cut. To do this, left-click on your mouse, hold and drag across the letters to the side. When the letters are selected, go to the right side panel for the cut settings. Next to Multi-Selected, toggle the switch to the left to turn off Output. When we go back to the settings overview, we can see the extra layers are labeled Ignored. This means the machine will not cut or engrave these extra pieces. We are now ready to cut our Scrabble pieces. Once everything looks good, select Process. The new window will show you how long it will take to engrave and cut. When ready, press Start. The laser will then begin creating the Scrabble pieces. You now have your Scrabble pieces. First, lay out your Scrabble pieces in order of how you want them glued together. For this project, I used Craft Super Glue. I also recommend using wood glue. I placed small drops on the side of the first piece. You don't need a lot of glue to hold the pieces together. Then, attach the next piece and hold for a few seconds to secure the pieces together. Once secured, leave the 2 pieces to dry. Continue the process with the rest of the letters and glue them all together. Once all the pieces are dry, take a piece of twine or ribbon and position it to the back of the ornament. To secure the twine, use craft or wood glue to cover the back of the twine. Once dried, attach a small bow to the front. I used glue dots to secure the bow, but you are welcome to use craft or wood glue as well. You now have your Scrabble ornaments. This is a fun project to make customizable gifts and decorations for everyone during the holidays. If you are interested in creating this ornament or other laser cut projects, please book an appointment with the studio on our library's website. Thank you for watching today's episode of 12 Days of Craftmas. We will see you for the next one.